Well, chainsaw's broken today, so I'm going to use my bulldozer and take down a tree.
Caleb, that's not a bulldozer.
Well, it's a blade.
It's a snowplow for snow. Oops. Wow, it worked.
My chainsaw works great. Why don't they all use chainsaws like this? Oh, I think I broke the frame. See, I told you. It's a bulldozer.
Just pop the springs.
See? It plows snow fine. I mean a bulldozer.
We can almost drive up the hill now. I think you fixed it.
I didn't break the window. Smacked right in the window.
I know. What kind of bulldozer is this?
It's a 1994 Yukon Do It. Oh, I've done this many times. It's hard every time.
So close. You got it! Hey! All right. Well, let's see what happened here. There's some tree. Must have dragged that back with us. Oh, even took the roots right out. All right. Pretty soon we'll be able to drive right up that hill. We just got to keep dozing.
Why don't people just use a bulldozer for their chainsaws? It works a lot better. You see how quick that was? Chainsaw would have took you 4 hours.
And you got the roots out.
Like, comment, subscribe, goodbye. This is a poor idea.